Recently, I brought this plastic bottle out into the ocean because I wanted to show you guys what would happen if I took it to the bottom and filled it up with air. So first I got my bottle and then I went to the bottom of the ocean. I unscrewed the cap and then I gave the mouth of the bottle a little kiss while I exhaled and very carefully and precisely filled it up with air. Then I put the cap back on so that none of the air would escape, and now we're gonna go back up to the surface and see what's gonna happen to it.
Feel it.
She said that it was so hard from the pressure that she could barely squeeze it. When she handed it back to me, the pressure had built up so much that I just touched the tip of it and it exploded. The cap went like 20 feet in the air. Don't worry, of course we found the cap and made sure that nothing got left in the ocean. Okay, that's all the stuff we saw. Bye.